is your Kalpana. Today in this video we are going to prove trigonometric half angle formulae. So here are the formulas we are going to prove. Okay. So let's start with sine angle. We know that cos theta is equals to cos square theta minus sine square theta. Also 1 minus 2 sine square theta or 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. Suppose if you consider cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So let's consider cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay. Half angle is nothing but pi by 2. Okay. So now replace theta with theta by 2. Then you'll get theta 2 into theta by 2, which is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. Okay. So this equals to what you'll get? Cos theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. Okay. If you'll take 2 sine square theta by 2 to left hand side, 2 sine square theta by 2 is equals to, now take this cos theta to right hand side. So this is equals to 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. This implies, now I'll take 2 to right hand side. That is sine square theta by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos theta, or else you can write it as 1 minus cos theta by 2. Okay. So this implies sine theta by 2 is equals to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos theta by 2. Since you are using plus or minus symbols, okay, to get absolute value. Okay. We are using plus or minus 1 to get absolute value. Suppose if you consider any simple equation, suppose x square minus 4 equals to 0. This implies x square equals to 4. This implies, if you apply square roots on both sides, you get x equals to 2. 4 is 2 square, which is equals to 2. Or else, otherwise you can do it like this. X square minus 4 can be written as x square minus 2 square, which is equals to 0. We know that a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So this implies x plus 2 equals to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. Here you will get x equals to minus 2. Here you will get x equals to 2. That is x equals to minus 2 comma plus 2. That is x equals to plus or minus 2. X equals to plus or minus 2. This is the absolute value. X equals to plus or minus 2. But here signs are missing. Okay. You can consider it as absolute value. Okay. If you are considering square roots, you will use plus or minus symbol if you want to consider. Okay. And the symbols always depends upon all silver teacups. All silver teacups. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. All silver teacups. Okay. Symbols always depends on the quadrant. Okay. Fine. So you have proved sine theta by 2 is equals to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos theta by 2. Okay. Now, we are going to consider this formula, second one, in terms of cos theta. So, we have cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Again replace theta is equals to theta by 2. 2 into theta by 2 which is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So this implies cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Take this minus 1 to left hand side, then you'll get 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. Or you can write it as 2 cos square theta by 2 is equals to 1 plus cos theta. So I'll take 2 to right hand side. Cos square theta by 2 is equals to 1 plus cos theta by 2. This becomes cos theta by 2 is equals to plus or minus root over 1 plus cos theta by 2. Okay. So this is the half angle formula for cosine function. So you got cos theta by 2 is equals to plus or minus root over 1 plus cos theta by 2. Okay. So next. Third one. Tan theta by 2. We know that tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. So tan theta by 2 will be sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Since you are having formulas of sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2, you can apply this. So this equals to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos theta by 2 divided by root over 1 plus cos theta by 2. So this equals to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos theta by root 2 into root 2 by root over 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So finally you'll get tan theta by 2 is equals to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos theta by root over 1 plus cos theta, which can be written as root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So next, since we are having tan theta by 2 equals to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now we are going to rationalize the numerator. Root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this is equals to root over 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay. So this is equals to root over. We know that a minus b, since a square, a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. So you'll get 1 square is 1 minus cos square theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta whole square. Okay. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, then sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So you can replace 1 minus cos square theta with sin square theta. So this is equals to root over sin square theta by 1 plus cos theta the whole square. So this is equals to root over sin theta whole square by root over 1 plus cos theta whole square. So root and square gets cancelled. So finally you'll get sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So therefore tan theta by 2 is equals to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Or tan theta by 2 is equals to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Next. Again consider tan theta by 2 is equals to root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now we are going to rationalize the denominator. So let's rationalize the denominator. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So this equals to root over 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta whole square. 1 minus cos theta whole square by a plus b into a minus b. We know that since a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So this equals to 1 square minus cos square theta. Okay. Since we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, then sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Now replace 1 minus cos square theta with sin square theta. So you'll get this equals to square root of 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. So this equals to root over 1 minus cos theta whole square by root over sin theta whole square. You can write sin square theta as sin theta whole square. So this equals to square and root gets cancelled. You'll get 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Okay. So therefore tan theta by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Or tan theta by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Okay. So this is all for now. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, just leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.